It has a black papers. So this is from... Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Myrtle's Little Luxuries. It's been a year since I started this channel. It started a few days after my birthday last year because I received quite a few beautiful luxury pieces and I decided to do a vlog and share it with you. And now we are on our 1-year anniversary. But before I'll start, if you are new to my channel, why don't you join me by subscribing? Just subscribe, click that subscribe button there, and don't forget to click also that notification bell so you will always be notified if I have uploaded a new video. For those who have been watching my videos, for my few subscribers, thank you very much for always being there and for your love and support. By the way, my name is Myrtle and I am your friend who loves little luxuries. So it's been a year and a few days ago was my birthday, so as expected, welcome to another unboxing episode. Let's start from this box here. This is the second time that I bought something online from this company. The first one was a few months ago, and this was also purchased sometime in August. And I just happened to remove it from the other box on my birthday. So this is the first time that I am going to reveal to you an item from Cosette. So if you have any guess, please comment down below. And let's open what's inside. So this is the receipt. Have you got your guess? This is from... Are you familiar with this logo? So this is from Givenchy. So this is a bag from Givenchy, and this is the reveal, a nanoantigona in navy blue color. So beautiful, in silver hardware. It has one zip closure, and this is what's inside. This is the strap, a leather strap. The care booklet. It has the sample of the leather material used. And this is Antigona Nano bag in navy color, and it is in 100% goat leather made in Italy. Inside is one big space, no compartment except one card slot here. It's beautiful. So this is the strap. It has a long strap. It is leather, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes that you can adjust. It's beautiful. I am going to do a separate video on this bag, so watch out for that. The next one is a gift from my husband, and it is from Louis Vuitton. Let's open what's inside. So this is the box, and let's open what's inside. So another guess for you. If you have any guess, please comment down below. This is, I have been eyeing for this bag for quite some time now, so I finally got it. This is the receipt. A small item in a dust bag. And let's open what's inside the dust bag. This is the, don't forget to comment down below, the LVTwist wallet and chain in epi leather in gold hardware in black color. So this is the LVTwist. So you have to twist this one here to open it. So inside is like a velvety type of lining. It has this strap, a metal strap in gold color, gold tone. It's quite heavy and it's thick. So it has this slot or the rings here that you can attach your strap. So inside is just one compartment. It has 6 card slots and one small compartment at the back. It also has a zip compartment here in front. If you want to close it, just twist it and you will see the LV logo or letters. And then if you want to open it, just twist it again and the V logo is there. It also has this slot here where you can use this one as a belt bag. So I'm going to do another separate video for this bag. So watch out for that as well. So this is the Louis Vuitton LVTwist wallet and chain in epi leather, in gold hardware, and in black or noir color. The next one, I bought it as a gift for myself and as a gift for this channel because it turned 1 year already. And this is from Jo Malone. I can smell already. So this is from Jo Malone, and let's open. I know you know that Jo Malone is a perfume or a scent. So let's see what's inside. I got, oh, smells so nice from here. I got a limited edition packaging of the scent English Pear and Freesia. So this is English Pear, really smells so nice. Oh my God. Oh, smells so nice. So this is English Pear and Freesia from Jo Malone in a limited edition packaging. So the shape of the box is also a pear. Then they realized that it's my birthday, so they gifted me this box. So let's see what's inside. This is This is Red Roses Bath Oil. I won't open it because it has a seal on this side here, so it's taped properly. So it's nice. And at the same time, they've given me this pouch, this velvet pouch, and let's see what's inside. It has Wild Bluebell body and hand wash and Wild Bluebell body cream. So these are samples. They also gave me this sample and another one, a travel size of English pear and freesia. So those are the gifts that I got for myself on my birthday, and I'm very happy. Before I'll end this video, I just wanted to share to you one of the items that we received a few weeks ago from two good friends of ours. This is from this box. I haven't actually opened it. This is actually a token from two good friends of ours. And let's open, because I'm also excited what's inside. I haven't actually opened it yet. So let's open it. This is actually from Ian and Des. It has a black paper, so this is from another from Jomalone. It has a sample as well of English pear and freesia. My God, what a nice surprise. I love the scent of English pear, my goodness. And it has a message. Oh, Ate Myrtle and Kuya Neil, thank you so much for accommodating us in your warm and homely abode. We had a great time with you both. Stay loving, safe, and healthy. Love lots, Ian and Desi. Oh, so sweet. And what a surprise. It has the same scent as the perfume that I got. So this is actually Home Candle English Pear. Oh my God. So let's open. This is a scented candle. My God, this is so beautiful. It's like I don't want to use it. Des and Ian, thank you so much. Oh, I'm so touched. This ends my birthday unboxing video. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any guests from those bags that I have refilled, don't forget to comment down below. By the way, if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to like, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell button so you will always be notified if I have uploaded a new video. I'll see you again on my next video. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.
언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고